There are two types of people in this world, those who make multiple trips and dads. Today we're gonna find out if this little folding hand truck can keep my perfect record of refusing to make a second trip alive. When this folding cart is completely folded, it is surprisingly small. But when it opens up, it's a 6-wheel platform cart with an expandable base and a telescoping handle. The handle, it adjusts to different heights, and the platform to support longer and larger items. And then you also get these elastic bungee cords right here for securing the load so that it doesn't tip or fall over on you. And you can always load more than you're supposed to, but never go over 500 pounds. And if you've ever gone camping with my family, you always bring way too much stuff than you actually need. And that's where this guy comes in handy. When you gotta load and unload the boxes. And just because we are traveling across uneven terrain, you can always strap these down with these bungee cord ropes, just like so. And it's kind of nice that it gives you these little grooves like this to connect right into those grooves right there. All right, now that I got everything loaded, like I said, this is uneven terrain, so we're gonna test how good these 6 small canister wheels go across dirt, gravel, roots, whatever. But if you come around here, this is the cool part about this little truck. I mean, they thought of everything when they put this together. If you pull this up, just like that, this comes down, and now you have a little bit more leverage if you need it, instead of a straight up kind of a pull. So let's go ahead and test how well this is gonna pull across this uneven ground. After rolling it around on roots, dirt, gravel, and testing it quite considerably, I'm gonna tell you that it is not fun going over roots, but it does completely well on grass and flat surfaces. But when you're going over roots and bigger things like that, those canister wheels, you really feel it. And so that's where these guys definitely need to be strapped down really, really good. However, I will say that I am loving not having to make multiple trips with this guy. And the other thing that I absolutely love is how small this is. I mean, living life on the road as a full-time RVer, space is extremely limited. And just look how easy this thing collapses, stacks, and fits right inside my tool chest for the next time my wife decides to go camping with us. Because she brings everything and I bring the kitchen sink.